What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and as you guys read by the title of the video, it's outside. It's snowstorming right now. It's like flooded almost. The snow is like almost up to my knee and stuff. I don't know. I didn't go outside yet, so I didn't really check. I just saw the weather. It's just like 30 mile per hour wind and stuff. So that's what I'm going to vlog for you guys. So I'm trying to build like a snow igloo or snowman or something, since we have a bunch of snow outside. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So thanks for clicking in this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let me show you guys outside from my window right now. Then I'm going to take you guys outside with me. I don't know if you guys could see a lot because there's like snowflakes all over the place. The snow is all over the window, so I can't really open because all the snow will fall inside. So basically it's flooded, it's windy outside, and that's about it. I'm going to take you guys outside and show you guys the rest. So guys, before I take you guys outside, I have to change my dress since I can't wear this to go outside. It's very cold. So in a few seconds, I will change my dress. 3, 2, 1. So guys, I'm back. I have my jacket on. I have gloves on. Now I will be heading outside and start making this snow igloo or snowman. I don't know which one I'm going to build. My sister and my brothers are already outside. I'm going to have some help from my little sister. She's going to help me build the snow igloo or snowman, and keep on watching. So guys, it's pretty tough vlogging with my gloves on because I can't really press any buttons because it doesn't work. So it's super deep, the snow. I don't know how much you guys could see it, but it's very deep snow. And so I'm going to flip the camera the other way so I could show you guys around. And this is how I have to press it, with my nose like this. So my brother's outside. Say hi. Say hi.
No.
No, you don't want to say hi? Why? Come. Come. Hi. Say hi.
Cake. 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 Cake.
So this is his first year in snow. So he's like almost 2 years old. His birthday is in April. So he's almost 2 years old. And this is the first year he's seeing the snow. He got out like few times before this video, but this is the highest snow he got in. Like before, a few days ago, it was like maybe few centimeters though. He couldn't really play, but now, what happened? What happened? He's scared of the cold. His nose is getting frozen. Here, come. So guys, I carried him right now because he's cold. His nose is getting frozen. Since the snows are blowing right at his face. So that's why it's hard to carry him and vlog. So I'm gonna put him inside and pick up the camera for you guys. Oh, he's falling. Go inside. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when I put him inside. So guys, I will be setting up the camera right in this hole. I made a hole so I could put the stand down there, the tripod, and start recording for you guys. I'm hoping my camera nothing happens to my camera. Yeah, I'm just hoping. But thanks to everybody watching this video, and I'm gonna play a time lapse of me building the igloo. My sister is cold, so she doesn't want to come outside now. So guys, you guys are in the hole right now, and I don't know how much you guys could see. My brother is playing. I'm out of frame right now because I'm gonna go and get him. So I'm gonna put him right down, and I'm gonna get the snow shovel so you guys keep on watching. And I will be starting the time lapse anytime. So guys, I found the snow shovel right here. And if you guys didn't know, this is the snow shovel. You have to pick up all the snow and throw it away, blah, 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 with this thing. So I will be starting to pile up all the snow in one spot since we have to clean it anyways. So begin the time lapse. It's okay, you're good. It's very windy. So guys, my camera fell. Yeah, so it's pretty tough. Let's begin the time lapse again. So guys, while I was vlogging, putting the time lapse, my camera fell. So I was scared for that. And so this is like building like a mountain type of thing. So if you guys didn't know, when you guys are building a snow igloo, first you have to build a mountain, pile up all the snow. Pretty sure all of you guys already knew that. But yeah, I piled up all the snow. Now I have to shape them and make a hole inside. And I'm not getting inside it because it's very cold today. So maybe I'm gonna get in tomorrow, and I don't think I'm gonna film tomorrow or vlog tomorrow. But this is the update of the snow igloo. Yeah, so I'm gonna start shaping it and starting a time lapse again. So guys, I just set up my camera again, and there is the snow hail type of thing. And keep on watching, and yeah. So guys, I'm pretty sure I'm done with this snow igloo. It's very cold. Oh, I'm getting frozen right here. So I like smooth out the outer layer, like the outside of it, and I built like a door type of thing where you could get in. But it's not too big inside. So let me try to put the camera in. So it's not too big inside, like maybe a cat or my brother could get in. But yeah. So this is the update on the snow igloo, and it's very windy. I don't know if the camera could catch it, cause not everything shows in the camera. You could see like some stuff in real life with your eye, but you can't see it through the camera, like the wind right now. My mom is trying to be a kid and broke my snow igloo. I don't really care. We gotta clean it up anyways. And yeah, that's about it for the snow igloo. And let's go to the next part of the video. So guys, since I'm done with this snow igloo and my mom just broke it right there, so I'm just gonna show you guys around basically the snow neighborhood. I don't know. So that's my garage right there, and these are the snow, and my car just got cleaned. It was like covered. And yeah, my mom is cleaning the snow right now. And let me show you guys around. I might give you guys an outside tour in the summer, maybe, of my house. Cause now there's no point of it, because in summer there's a lot of like trees and stuff, flower trees, blah blah blah. So like this is basically a whole garden, but it's dead and covered with snow, so you guys don't really get to see it. So in summer I might give you like a full tour. That means like in 3-4 months I'm gonna give you guys a full tour. the middle, this is all sidewalk where people walk. And these are all covered. We kind of cleaned our way in front of our house. So this is the sidewalk. And it's covered with snow. Yeah. Like every direction I turn, snow keeps on blowing me to the different direction. So yeah, everything is covered. The road is covered with snow. The only part I like about snow is you go play with it, and when the trees, not yet, but when the trees like turn into like a white thing type of thing. And nighttime snows are nice because everything starts to look like white. Everything's like white. Like you can't really see the darkness at nighttime. So that's a cool thing about snow. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to show you guys. So guys, that's about it for this video. And I want to close out this video right now because it's really cold. I'm going to go inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And peace.